Yo, what's up? This your boy Jay Townsend. Just want to come to y'all real quick and drop a quick little video about building and repairing your credit. So check it. Before you start building and trying to repair, which is disputing derogatory and charge off accounts collections on your credit profile, the first thing you really want to do is order your free credit report. Once you order your free credit report and you receive that, what you want to do is look at the information side. That's basically your name, your date of birth, your social security, your address. You want to make sure you got one name, one address, one social security. You want to kill all the rest of them variations of your name. It might be spelled wrong. You might be missing a letter, whatever the case may be. That's why you need to order that credit report first. That's the first thing before you start going and adding self-lenders and all that. That's if you got derogatories. If you got derogatories on your credit profile. If you got a clean slate, then yeah, you need to get at your boy, stay with me, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna give you the free game to build your credit profile so that you are able to access leveraging, using credit as a leverage to possibly open up a new business, whatever the case may be. So yeah, that's the first thing you want to do is order that credit report. Make sure all the variations of your name, old addresses you ain't stayed at in a while, some addresses you may not even recognize. You need to get all that off your credit report first. After you do that, then you can move to the next level. A lot of these big credit gurus here on YouTube, they don't explain that to you, bruh. They show you all this big boy luxury shit, but they don't tell you the little baby steps, the crawling that you gotta do in ordinary to build your credit profile for you to get them high limit credit cards like 25 bands, 30 bands. You gotta start off small. So the first thing you wanna do, if you got derogatories on your credit profile, if your credit profile is clean slate, then you need to stay with your boy because I'm gonna show you how to build that thing. Once again, it's your boy Jay Townsend. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna get at you, huh?